Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Today we are going to talk about three major indexes of US stock market: Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. We are going to check these three indexes on daily, weekly and monthly time frame. With this, we are going to check the economic calendar and where are the futures heading now. So let's go ahead and start our analysis without wasting a single minute. Let's go to the trading view here. So if you see here, this is the day chart of Nasdaq 100, and you can see here we were in a downtrend, and after hitting in the downtrend, you can see here there is a trend reversal came. Okay, this part I am talking about. Here we see that the trend line resistance got broke. Here it was the first resistance, second resistance was here, third resistance here which got broke, and then again we went down, and then again on Friday we closed above the resistance. Now the most important point is futures. Currently the futures are trading at 11,491. Okay, so if we see this chart on 4 hours time frame, let me adjust. So here you can see the clear picture. We are getting more points here. You can see here the first resistance was here, second here, as we checked in the daily time frame, and then it broke here and then went down again and again reclaimed, and now it is again, if you all remember, right, when there is a breakout. Okay, see, this is the chart, for example, and this is the trend line resistance, and when you can see there is a breakout. Okay, there is a breakout in the price, and after breakout, right, price test its breakout level again. So same thing might be happening here. Okay, after giving a breakout, it is trying to test that breakout, and where it can go till 11,300, because you can see here 11,282 is the first support. Okay, so my assumption is either it can come till this point, okay, or somewhere between this area, right, 11,400 to 11,250, and then again it can reclaim if it's a real upside. Okay, if it's a real upside. So for me the safe trade is above 11,600. Why? Because we don't know, as the important event is coming on the Wednesday. We will check that event just after this chart. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is either it can come towards 11,275 and then reclaim upside, and once it hit 11,600 again, then definitely these are the two targets which I am looking for: 11,800 and 12,085, or you can say 12,100. These are the two targets which I am looking for once it starts trading and closing above 11,600. Right now this index is in this channel between 11,600 to 11,275. So for me this is the no trade zone. I would either trade below 11,280 for the target of 11,000, or I will trade above 11,600 for the target of 11,800 and 12,100. So this is the uh, I can see the short time frame. In the shorter time zone, market might go in this with these levels. Now if we see the weekly chart, okay, so for the weekly chart, let me hide the drawings first. If we see the weekly chart, in the weekly chart you can see here previous to last week and before that it has created the bullish engulfing pattern, and right now it is respecting that pattern, because after that pattern it has not breaked below that. Now the break levels should be below, when this pattern will invalidated, once it starts trading below 10,400, 10,500. Once it starts trading and sustaining below 10,500 on the weekly time frame, then we will consider that market might go back, go below the level of 10,000 and near the 9,800. So which is not the case now. It respected that after creating this bullish engulfing pattern, market tried to come down, but it didn't reach that level and it started going up. Last week was the upside in the market, this candle, this green candle. Now if we see the monthly chart here, on the monthly chart also you can see here, very well, you can see here, it has created a bottom. Okay, it has created a bottom here, and you can see this is the bottom, right? See, you can say here, this is the line. Okay, on monthly, if we are not closing below this line, okay, then definitely market is in a safe hands. Okay, after creating uh, this pattern, okay, high probability that it might go for this level. Okay, this might be kind of picture. This is the possibility. So the monthly candle also looks good, right? Now, the most important point is, before we do the analysis of Dow Jones, I want to show you that what is economic calendar is saying. Economic calendar is saying that on Wednesday we have very important data, that is interest rate decision and Fed press conference. This is the most important data we have in the US market, right, on the Wednesday, November 2. So based on this data, definitely we are going to get a direction into the market. Again, we have the data on Friday also, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. So the main action will be coming from Wednesday till Friday. Okay, so if we get a good data, then definitely that will help market to go up from here. So this was about Nasdaq 100. Now we are going to talk about Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, first we will go to the 4-hourly chart here, and we will unhide the drawing first. Okay, all right. So don't get confused with the lines. Okay, these are very straightforward. Just try to understand. So this is the trend line resistance. I have drawn two trend line resistance. The first is here and the second is here. Okay, you can see here on the first trend line there were a lot of resistances, right? The first resistance was here, second here, right? And then the third resistance was here, this one. And after that, that resistance got broke sometimes, and you can see this area, you can see this area, right? And this area. So you can say that the trend line resistance area created here. Now what is current market direction is saying? Currently it says that uh, Dow Jones has given a very good rally. Okay, we will check that in the monthly chart, right, in some time. And now if you zoom in and see the nearest direction here, you can see it has given a very good breakout on 4-hourly chart. Okay, so after breakout, the same we talked about Nasdaq, it might give a retracement up to 32,350 is the first retracement point. 32,350. Second retracement point is 31,850. Okay, 31,850. These are the two retracement points possible. Either it can come to the first and then again go up, or it can come till second and also kind of go up. This is what I think. But for me, Dow Jones should be buy above 32,900. Above 32 to 32,900, it's as we are as we want to trade very safely, 32,900 gives me the conviction that Once it starts trading above 32,900 means it again came up where it gave a breakout, then it will go towards 33,400 and 34,000. These are the two targets which I am looking for. Once it starts trading above 32,900, then the first target is 33,400. Second target for me is 34,000. These are the two targets which I am looking for, and these both targets are like 500 points above the current the level from where we want to buy. From 32,900 we are looking for 33,400, that is almost 500 points, and 34,000, that is almost 600 points. And if you look at the chart of the Dow Jones, it is very strong as compared to the Nasdaq. You can see here, this is a day time frame, and now I will break it uh, or I will move it for the weekly time frame. So let's hide the drawing and you can see the weekly chart here. See the weekly chart, last 2 weeks was so good for the Dow Jones. Last week was 5% upside, and before and last week was 5.7% upside. So that looks very strong here. And now if we see the monthly chart of the Dow Jones, you can see here in the single month, it has given the upside of almost 13.5%. From last so many months, you have not seen this much upside in a single month. So definitely we need to watch out for the stocks which have the higher weightages on the Dow Jones. Definitely they are going to give some more upside from here on. Okay, so this was about the Dow Jones, and definitely we need to watch for the downside level also, and those are at here. So as I mentioned, if it goes down, then first target is 32,350 and second is 31,850. If it starts trading below 31,850, then definitely market will go again in the bearish mode for the Dow Jones. Okay, now the last index we have is S&P 500. For the S&P 500, let's move for the 4-hourly chart. You can see here S&P 500 also showing the same style as Nasdaq. It has given a good breakout, okay, and now it is giving a retracement here. It has given this horizontal breakout above this level. You can see here, this was the horizontal resistance. First resistance here, second resistance was here, third resistance in this area. After that it gave the breakout to that resistance, right? And then after that it consolidated above the breakout area. Again it came down and it gave a breakout one more time. So total two breakouts. First breakout was here, second breakout is here, right? So this gives the confidence that S&P 500 wants to go up because it has given a breakout two times, right? Now it can give a retracement till the breakout level of 3810, right? 3810, 3820. From here, if it gives the upside again, then definitely the most important level to watch out for is 3900. Once it starts trading above 3900, then you are going to see lot of upside in the S&P 500. The first target would be 3950, second is 4000, and next one is 4100. So ultimate target once it starts trading above 3900 is 3950, 4000, and 4100. These are the targets which I am looking in the S&P 500. But if it starts trading below 3800, then definitely the first target is coming for 3720 is my first target. Second target is coming around 3650. Okay, these are the two targets I am looking for: 3720, 3650. These are the downside targets for the S&P 500. Now if we check weekly chart here, the weekly chart here, you can see it has given a same strategy. On the weekly chart, it was consolidating in these last 3 weeks. these 3 weeks, and then it has given this breakout here, and then again last week also the very good upside. So chart looks good on the weekly time frame. If we see the monthly also, then monthly time frame also, monthly chart also looks good. Today is the last day of the month, and definitely this will be showing, the candle will be closed today, but definitely it will be showing like this only. So this candle is, representing a bullish piercing on the monthly chart, right? And after this big downside, you know this bullish piercing, right? And if the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those events give the positive direction, then definitely you will see that market might have given a bottom, and market might, go up from here. Okay, so these were, the levels for Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. I hope you learned, something new out of this video. You understood the levels from this video, and then you can do your due diligence and, take your investment decisions accordingly. In case you are new to the channel, I would request you to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. I hope you learned something out of this video today. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.